Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're an old subscriber, shout out to you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys ginger me. You guys make me want to do this video over and over again. Yes, we are building gradually. Yes, I promised you guys free giveaway when I'm past 500 subscribers. I know I'm past 500 subscribers. I have not forgotten. It's on my mind. I'm just thinking of the logistics behind it, because most of the things I want to give you is in Nigeria, and I'm not in Nigeria. Okay? New subscribers, shout out to you guys as well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Okay? Kindly click on the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? It's just like to click on the subscribe button to view similar videos like this. If you want to know how I worked on my skin, like I always say, I've had serious issues of acne, I've had issues of hyperpigmentation. I wasted my money on cream, on products. They've ruined my skin over and over again, and you know, I'm trying to boost my skin health now. So click on the subscribe button if you want to see my journey, and if you like to know what is working for me. Maybe it will work for you as well, never can tell. Okay, let's go right into this video. So as you all know, I explained in previous video that I tried to buy some things from Nigeria, a lot of supplements that I wanted to do the review for you guys. I figured it was cheaper in Nigeria to buy them and bring it down than buying here, because even you'll be shocked, a lot of people buy from Nigeria and sell here as well. So plus cargo, I did everything, but along the way, for some reason, the consignment, because usually I send my consignment through NACO. Okay, for people that don't know how to send from Nigeria to the UK, I send through NACO. I go to the NACO place, and you see people that will ask you if you want to cargo or you don't want to cargo. I went there, I sent the product. Apparently, I waited 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I didn't get my product. I called them. I didn't get their number. Eventually, I got their UK number, and the man explained to me that, oh, that consignment was destroyed. I was like, why? What's going to happen? It was like, hey, it happens that way because that one, that somebody sends cream of 600 kg, bleaching cream of 600 kg, so that consignment had to be destroyed, and blah blah blah, that anyone that had anything lightening, whitening inclusive, that it has to be destroyed. And apparently I bought a couple of whitening supplements, I bought makeup products, I bought even soaps. So because that was inclusive, they destroyed all those products. It was a painful experience, but man, I had to move past it. That's why I've not seen me. Okay, but I had a family coming over to the UK, so I decided to buy some of these supplements. And you know, we Nigerians, we kind of overuse things, we overdo things. So I decided to say, okay, let me not overdo and just buy as minimum as I can buy. So I'm going to show you guys the lightening supplements that I intend to use for this month. Maybe next month I'll change my mind, but this month, based off of all the supplements that I've used and I'm still using, I decided that for this month, for my skin health, if you can notice, I've lost a lot of weight because I have been busy. But for this month, I'm going to be going for these supplements. Okay, so my number one supplement, sorry, I'm doing this video in the bathroom. Number one, for volume's sake, you know the kind of echo. That's why some of us sing in the bathroom. And I'm doing this video because there's more light in the bathroom. I don't have my ring light here, so the number one supplement is my satin skin supplement. I'll try to put the picture here. So it's satin. I'm using my satin skin glutathione and astaxanthin plus supplement. Okay, so I'm giving a review about this. If you want me to give a separate review about this, or what I personally, oops, that's falling. What I personally think about this particular one, maybe I'll do a video separately of what I think personally about it. So it comes in 2-in-1 in this pack. It comes in satin skin glutathione plus and astaxanthin plus. Where I was made to understand, when you use these two, you don't need to buy vitamin C. That's what they told me. I break out quickly, so I have to minimize the amount of vitamin C that I use. So that's why. So it comes with this note in it, and it comes with like a nice packaging. Maybe that's why it's expensive. All of our money, they don't take and chop packaging. Moving forward, okay, the next product that I'll be showing you guys Guys, I have a secret to tell you guys. I've not really used lightening supplements in about a month because all my supplements finished. So I feel that my skin kind of went dull, but if you think my skin is not dull, state it in the comment section. But the next one is Satin Skin Etheon Plus Black Series. Yes, luxurious and sexiest whitening powder you've been searching for. So this is 15 in 1 and it's in a sachet. You pour it inside water like the Glutaberry. Okay, so yes, this is 15 in 1. All the benefits are behind the pack. Okay, I'm not going to talk about this because I'm giving a separate review about it in a different video, so look out for that video. If you are a new subscriber, subscribe so that when that video drops, I've been using this for 2 days now, so once it's like a week, I'm going to give a review of it. Now the next supplement that I got is my Glutaberry. You all know how I am in love with the Glutaberry. Like, if you don't know, I'm sure you know how I am in love with this Glutaberry mix. Maybe because I'm a sweet tooth and I just like it. And it says it doesn't have sugar, it's 0 sugar, 0 cholesterol free. So yes, and it doesn't make me feel hungry, so I had to buy this Glutaberry again. It is amazing. Trust me, trust me, trust me. It's amazing. Now the supplement that I want to continue using, I got it here. I'm going to buy it here again. I still have it. Is BB Pretest Spell 500 mg capsule. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is awesome. This really helped with my acne. This really helps with my acne as well. It cleared my skin. Let me not talk about it. So that is the supplements, the skin lightening supplements that I'm going to be using. Remember, I'm not using them exactly just because I want to lighten my skin. Okay, I am using them for the benefits. So in different videos, I'm going to be stating this product and the benefits. So you don't just rush to buy products, you check out the benefit. Okay, so guys, permit me to bounce out and go and use my supplements for the day and relax myself. Okay, have a wonderful week, have a wonderful day. God bless you to my subscribers. Shout out to the new ones. Please subscribe, I beg you in the name of God. Okay, have a wonderful week. Kisses, bye.